Hi, I'm Bob. This is Bob Collects Stamps, and I just got this is not what I thought it was. So, yeah. Hello, this is Bob, and this is Bob Collects Stamps. I'm a little silly today. Um, a certain person who shall remain nameless has sent me once again some more mail. And this time, for a very special to me reason, this is the Ursula Le Guin stamp that the US put out earlier this year. It is the only used copy I will probably ever get. So this is cool. This is going in my collection. Yes, definitely. I have first day covers. I have the stamp, mint stamp, but with this. And I'm not going to name him because, he might get a swelled head or something. No, he won't. They keep sending me things. I keep doing videos about him. And more people go watch him. You're welcome to, he's good. So do go watch him. He sent it with filler. He didn't have to do that for sure. He didn't have to do the other. I just was whining on Twitter that I wasn't going to ever see a used copy unless I bought it. And so he sent me this. Feel like it. He says he didn't want to send an over franked cover, so he had to fill it. No, he's too good for me. I'll have to send him something. Go buy stuff at his store on Hipstamp. He sent me some Lithuania there and some Poland. And Elvis, another mint, Ursula Le Guin. Ursula Le Guin is one of the two people I have ever met on a US stamp. I forgot that Ray Bradbury, who I've also met, was a US stamp. And this is some Hong Kong. And some filler card, protection cards. Let's see what else he sent me. Here, sent me back the stamps that I sent him. And it shouldn't have weighed on his mind. I'm sorry. He sent me some cool stuff. Let's see what else. Seychelles birds. Those are nice. Some Mongolia. Also nice. Rocket stamp at least. I'll look at them later. Some more Mongolia. I like Mongolia stamps. A lot of them are CTOs or canceled to order, so they're not for postage, but they've got some really cool designs. And if you're a topical collector, it's a design that counts for most people. So I like that. And some Algeria and Argentina. That's nice. And then, no, I just emptied that envelope. That's what you saw. And more Argentina. Cool stuff. I am not going to research every one of these today. So this is just an unboxing video. More Argentina. More Argentina. Argentina is not a country I have a lot of stamps for, so these are all cool. I don't think I have basically any of these. And then Switzerland. Ooh, Philatelic Expo from sometime. 1965, probably, in Bern, Switzerland. So that's my unboxing of some wonderful stamps by He Who Shall Not Be Named. And I thank Ted very much for sending those things. I'm going to have to order some things to make me feel unguilty, but we'll see. So I have to order a lot. Yeah, payday's next week. So, okay. Thanks very much for watching. Remember, 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 don't follow anybody else's rules except have fun, take care of your stamps, and take care of yourself.